In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cache Everything in Cloudflare. If you're looking to enhance your website's speed and performance by ensuring that your content is quickly accessible for your visitors, enabling cache. Everything is a powerful tool to achieve just that. We'll walk through the process together, step by step. To begin, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, select the domain you'd like to modify. This part is key, as everything we do next will apply to the settings of the domain you choose here. So, double-check to ensure you're on the right one. Once you're in the dashboard for your specific domain, navigate over to the Rules section. Within Rules, you'll find an option for Page Rules. This is where we'll be spending most of our time today. Click on Create Page Rule to start setting up a new rule. Now, let's get into the specifics of what we need to configure. You'll see a field labeled If the URL matches. Here, you'll want to set a wildcard pattern. This tells Cloudflare which URLs should be affected by the rule. You could use a pattern like yourdomain.com// which covers all pages on your website. With the URL pattern set, next you'll click Add a Setting. From the drop-down menu, choose Cache Level. Then, select Cache Everything. By making this selection, you're essentially instructing Cloudflare to store all content types, including HTML, in their cache. This simple act can result in a dramatic improvement in loading times for your users. For those looking to optimize further, there's an optional, yet recommended, step to add Edge Cache TTL. Edge Cache TTL determines how long resources stay cached on Cloudflare's network. You could, for instance, set this to something like 1 day or even 7 days, depending on how frequently your content changes. It's also crucial to be mindful of the order of your page rules. Ensure this cache. Everything rule is positioned below any bypass rules you might have, such as those for admin areas like WP admin. This hierarchy matters because rules higher in the list will always take precedence over those listed below. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Save and Deploy. This action locks in your changes and activates your new configuration on Cloudflare's network. Remember, cache everything via page rules applies across all your content, including HTML. It's worth noting that if you've set an Edge Cache TTL, Cloudflare will remove cookies for cached pages. Before implementing, make sure your content is static or not user-specific. Caching dynamic or personalized pages can lead to unexpected issues and should be avoided where possible. So there you have it. You've just enabled Cache Everything in Cloudflare, optimizing your website's performance for faster and smoother access. Thanks for watching, and happy caching.